All right, welcome to today's main event. We are stepping into the ring for a nutritional title fight. In one corner, we have the hormonal heavyweight, Protein, and in the other, the physical powerhouse, Fierce Fiber.
You know that feeling, right? That mid-afternoon hunger pang hits and you need relief. So which of these titans is going to land that knockout blow on your appetite first? It's a question we face every single day.
The bell's about to ring, so let's dive in, break down their fighting styles, and see who really comes out on top. Look, we all fight this battle every single day. That nagging hunger can be a huge distraction, right? It can totally derail our focus and tempt us into making food choices we kind of regret later. It's a duel we just can't avoid.
And this is why it really matters. When hunger is running the show, it can sabotage even our best intentions. But luckily, we have two champions ready to step into our corner. So let's meet them.
First up, hailing from the macronutrient division, weighing in with some serious chemical credentials, it's Protein. This contender is known for its tactical behind-the-scenes work, landing punches you don't even see coming.
So, what's Protein's secret weapon? Well, it's all about communication. Protein works on a chemical level, interacting directly with your body's hormones to send powerful messages straight to your brain.
Protein's signature move is a classic 1-2 punch. First, bam, it triggers your satiety hormones. These are basically little messengers that travel to your brain and shout, "Hey, we're full down here, stop eating." And second, it has a high thermic effect, which just means your body actually burns more calories just breaking it down. That whole process adds to that feeling of satisfaction.
And now, let's meet the challenger. A true grinder, known for incredible stamina and a brute force approach. Please welcome Fierce Fiber. This contender doesn't mess around with subtle signals. It wins by physically dominating the space.
Fiber's strategy is completely different. It's an indigestible carb, which sounds a little weird, I know, but its power comes from what it doesn't do. It doesn't get absorbed. Instead, it sticks around and fights hunger with pure physics.
Fiber's staying power comes from two main tactics. First, it adds bulk. It literally soaks up water, expands, and physically stretches your stomach, which is a key signal to your brain that you're full. Second, it forms this kind of gel-like substance that slows down digestion, keeping food in your stomach for way longer. It's the ultimate endurance athlete.
All right, the contenders are in the ring. It's time for the main event. Let's put them head-to-head and really analyze their different approaches to taking down hunger. Okay, so let's check out their battle plans. Protein is all about a swift chemical attack. It wants a quick victory by telling the brain the fight's over. Fiber, on the other hand, is a master of the long game. It digs in for a slow, physical grind, and it wins by simply going the distance. So here is the tale of the tape. For speed of action, Protein is the clear winner. That hormonal signal is just faster. But for duration of fullness, Fiber takes the prize, no question. Its physical presence is super long-lasting. And their primary mechanisms, totally different worlds. One is hormonal, the other is mechanical.
So, after several intense rounds of competition, who gets their arm raised in victory? It's time to go to the judges' scorecards for the final decision.
The scores have been tallied. It was an absolute duel for the ages, folks.
And the verdict is, it's a draw. You know, it turns out the most powerful strategy against hunger isn't about choosing a side. It's about getting these two champions to fight on the same team.
That's the secret right there. The ultimate victory comes from a tag team approach. Protein delivers that fast-acting punch to stop hunger right now, and then it tags in Fiber to provide the long-lasting endurance to keep it from coming back. They cover each other's weaknesses perfectly.
So how do you put this championship team to work for you? Well, think about things like Greek yogurt with berries and seeds, or a piece of grilled chicken next to a big broccoli salad, a hearty lentil soup, even just an apple with peanut butter. Each one of these meals pairs that fast power of protein with the long-lasting grit of fiber. It's a true knockout combination. So now you're the coach. You've got two all-star players on your team. The real question is, how are you going to combine their unique strengths at your next meal to win your own daily hunger duel?